ass fucking vertical video because I don't have fucking time to record this when I'm not in the car. When I'm not in the car on my way fucking home. So, Cowboys versus Seahawks. We just got the shit kicked out of us. When in reality, we should have blew these faggot motherfuckers out. And that 100% is because of this coaching staff. I swear, this is going to be quick, by the way, because I have, 10% battery. I better not see a single fucking Cowboys fan coming at Dak Prescott saying, oh, this was his fault. What in the fuck do you want him to do? This just goes to show that they don't even watch the fucking game. They just keep track of the score, and if we lose, it's clearly Dak Prescott's fault, and then they recycle the same bullshit, plainly false arguments all the fucking time. Like, oh, you can't throw the ball beyond 10 yards. Oh, Dak Prescott's this, Dak Prescott's that. Motherfucker, he is a mobile quarterback put in a run-first offense, but they're playing him like he's a fucking pocket passer. And he doesn't have an offensive line, and he doesn't have any fucking deep threat wide receivers, which is what you want from a pocket passing quarterback. What the fuck? And to all of you saying, oh, so what, Dak Prescott needs a perfect team? No, motherfucker. He just needs a team who gives a fuck, okay? As soon as Tony Romo got a team that finally gave a half fuck, all of a sudden he starts playing great, and you motherfucker start sucking his dick. Give Dak a team who gives a fuck. And even then, when he finally gets receivers who can get open, when he finally gets receivers that can fucking catch, when he can finally get some fucking offensive linemen that won't crash on him or get injured, it still doesn't fucking matter. Because this is the Dallas motherfucking Cowboys. Because this is the Dallas Cowboys. Nothing changes. Okay, this is the exact opposite of what you would want from your fucking NFL franchise, okay? Just fuck. Jimmy Johnson, 2 back-to-back Lombardi trophies. That's totally unacceptable. Let's just fucking fire him right on the spot. He's garbage. He's cancer. Zero tolerance for Jimmy Johnson. Yet, you better bet your motherfucking ass, Jerry Jones, he has all the tolerance in the world. All the tolerance in the world for Jason Garrett. And, the thing is, it really doesn't have shit to do with coaching. It's part of it, but that's not the main issue. The main issue has always been Jerry Jones, and it always will be Jerry Jones. Oh, that's your go-to. You just blame Jerry Jones for everything. You're goddamn fucking right it is. If it wasn't for Jerry, who knows, but we would not have been losing for 23 consecutive fucking seasons. But you know what? Let's blame that on a third-year quarterback because we don't know any better. Jesus fucking Christ. When my friends always ask me what fan base in the NFC East do you hate the absolute most, every single time I say the Cowboys fan base because they're just dumb fucks who will literally believe anything you put out on the media. Oh, it's all Dak's fault. Jesus fucking Christ. It's all Dak's fault. It's all Dak's fault. Zeke, you did not give a single fuck in this game, did you? Stepping out of bounds, fucking dropping passes, fumbling like fuck. But, wait. It's clearly Dak Prescott's fault. It's so obviously Dak's fault, right? Well, duh, everybody else thinks so, so clearly that's right. No, it's not. It just spells right out that you are a media-driven fucking dumbass who doesn't know what he's talking about. If you give Dak a team who gives half a fuck, you will get the Dak Prescott from 2016. Alright, and I'm not saying that Dak Prescott is fucking invincible and that he isn't worthy of any criticism. He absolutely is. He's missed a ton of throws where there was an open wide receiver and he actually had decent protection. Alright, I'm not saying that Dak is the second coming of Romo, but what I'm saying is you would see a fuck ton more consistency from Dak Prescott if you give him a team who gives a fuck. The same people who come out and give Dak Prescott shit are the same ones who always suck Aaron Rodgers' dick. Oh, he's the most talented quarterback. And you know, I bet I'm the only one on the internet with the balls to say this. So, Dak Prescott is garbage, right? He's complete trash. He needs a team in order for him to be good. Yet, Aaron Rodgers, he only has one ring in his career. How does that work? Oh, but he makes all these sick throws, and he's this, he's that. He's the most talented fucking quarterback in the NFL. And I'm not taking any of that away from him by any way, shape, or form. I mean, in my opinion, Aaron Rodgers is absolutely the best quarterback in the NFL. It's not even up for a debate. Us Cowboys fans would definitely know that. But what I'm saying is, if he had a team who gave a fuck, he would have 5 rings. He would probably have 6 rings. But he doesn't. He doesn't have a team who gives a fuck. He doesn't. The Green Bay Packers, they just rely on him all the fucking time. Whoa! Holy fucking shit! Okay, there's a hump right here at this intersection. This car just fucking flew and it sparked all over the place. I wish y'all would have seen that, but anyway, I'm getting off topic. Fuck Jerry Jones, fuck Scott Linehan, fuck Jason Garrett, and fuck this fucking fan base that enables this losing mentality and doesn't know what the fuck they're talking about. God damn, I hate this fucking fan base.